Okay, here's my electric log splitter. It's a 6-ton, 20.5 inch Southland. Here's the button that you have to push down, and here's the lever you have to push down at the same time. I've watched videos on YouTube where guys have broken into this and rewired it so that way it stays on, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it how it is and just make it to where it'll work for me. So first, you're gonna need some baling twine or rope, okay? I'd say maybe 4 or 5 feet of it. First thing you do, make yourself a loop. Just tie it onto the handle there. So you tie it on there tight. What that's gonna do is when you pull down on it, pulls that handle down. Okay. Then what you're going to do next is get a piece of kindling. Just split a piece of wood to like a kindling size. Okay. You're going to take this piece of wood, just put it under here. Make sure it's skinny enough to fit between these two pieces of plastic. That way when you push down on this, turns it on, right? Now, I think you guys are seeing where I'm going with this. Take this baling twine and tie it on to the stick. Okay, so I got it tied onto the stick, tied onto the lever. Loop's coming down. Actually maybe about 6 inches off the ground. Take a piece of wood, split a piece of wood, make myself a pedal. And you might have to adjust this, but adjust it to where it's just a couple inches off the ground for your pedal. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, I must mention they don't recommend putting this big of a log in. These are typically rated for about 12-inch logs, but with the pine, it is a easier wood to split. These are all really dry, so believe it or not, this is going to split it. Let's try our hands-free splitter out. I'm gonna hold it up top here. For safety's sake, keep your hands away from the wedge and the ram. Be very aware of that. And eye protection. Granted, we are bypassing the safety on here, but you still want to be safe. Okay? Here we go. Stepping on the pedal. Okay. See what I was meaning? I need to hold the log. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you do decide to do this, this is on you. Just be careful, be safe about it. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you want. And until the next video, have a good day.